How to make chapters on your YouTube video. I am Alan Bean, and here on How To we show you tips and tricks just to make your life that little bit easier. So on this video I'm going to show you how to create sections like this on your YouTube video, so that when somebody comes to the video, if they hover above, they can see which part of the video is about what. So in this particular video, which is about fun features on Facebook Messengers, if they click on there, they know it's about the colour, the nickname, etc. And the way that you do that is by creating an index within your description. So I've got one here that I've actually deleted the index from, just to show you how to do this. Now, in your description, obviously you need a title to what you're calling it. I've put index each time purely and simply so when people are looking at it in the description they know what it's referring to. But the first word that is important is intro. And then after that you put open bracket 0:00 close bracket. That tells YouTube that this is the start of some chapters. The next one, I always put main so people have an idea where the main part starts. On this one it's 0:14 seconds, and then you can put whatever you want in there. But for this example I'll just leave it at the 2 and save the video. Now when I click on the video on YouTube, I'll just mute that again, you can see that the intro's there with a break there to go on to the main part of the video. Okay, simple as that. So just by adding in the text an index on that format, 0:00 in the brackets, that creates those chapters. Now why should you be doing this? You should be doing this on each of your videos because YouTube look for it in the description when they're ranking videos. It's not something that's going to make astronomical difference to your ranking within YouTube, but it does make a difference because they see that the person who's created the video has actually focused on the person watching it, giving them the opportunity to zoom on to exactly where they want to go. So hopefully you found that of help. There are a number of videos that you might find of interest in. One that's extremely new is about hashtags in YouTube videos and how to get them at top of your title of your video. So that might be something worthwhile having a look at. If you found this a benefit, we do actually put out videos twice a week with tips and tricks on all sorts of areas of social media, etc. Please do subscribe, and then you won't miss out on anything that might come through that might just be suitable for you.